Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. If you want to schedule a video so that you don't have to be physically present to upload them, ensure you stay tuned. So my tutorial today, I'm going to focus on a YouTuber who have a series or a sequence of videos, and you don't have to upload them all at the same time. YouTube has a provision where you can schedule them on weekly or daily or after every few days. So stick with me to the end of the video recording. So what you need to do is YouTube has a provision where you will be able to schedule your videos. I'll be taking you one-on-one in the tutorial how to do it. So once your video has finished processing, I've already finished processing, I've uploaded. The next thing that we need to come to do is come here to feasibility. We'll come here and click next. Once we click next, we'll come and see it's the feasibility of the video, the feasibility of the video. Once we come to here to see the visibility of the video, we will be told that choose when to publish and who can see your videos. We can save or publish, make your video. Once if it is private, only you and your chosen can watch your video. This provision is in case you've recorded a video and you want to send to a person to maybe to see them. You can, once you click private, it is not available in the public domain, but only you and the people that you choose can watch it. Unlisted, anyone with the video link can watch your video. Only the people that you will share your link are the people who can watch your video, but on the public domain they cannot be able to watch it. So for scheduling a video for this person who has several videos, you will come here in public. Once you click public, everyone can watch the video, but you can watch the video. You can set it as an instant premiere. Premium means that the thumbnail the thumbnail will be showing your and your title will be showing. It will, so that the people your viewers will anticipate when your video is coming, so that once it uploads, all people will be live waiting for your video to be visible in live. For this tutorial, we were to schedule it. So we were to select a date on when the video will be on public. Like for my case, I will schedule it on today. I will schedule it on 26th. I will come here and select time. I need to schedule it. Maybe my viewers are in GMT +3. So GMT +3, they normally wake around 8 a.m. So once my people normally wake at 8 a.m. So what I will be doing. So what I will be doing, I will come and ensure that that this is the time that they normally wake. I will upload the video maybe 4 or 5 hours, so that YouTube algorithm will have time to study my title, see the quality of video, and query if they have any whether I've completed any community guidelines in case I want to monetize my video. So I'll come and schedule it. This is the time that my most of the audience wake at 8 a.m. I'll come and schedule my video at 4 a.m. That is 4 or 5 hours before the normal time that my most of my viewers normally wake. So I'll come and select my time zone. I said my time zone is GMT +3. GMT +3. I will come and look at that GMT +3. Here it is. I'll select it, so that so that once at that moment, I will have scheduled my video. If you have a series of videos, or sequence, don't upload them all at the same time. Ensure you schedule them on weekly basis, so that you'll have a regular YouTube upload, and YouTube has provided these provision of scheduling video. I'm sure the video is very clear. In case you need any consultation, ensure in the description link you'll find my official contact, jogukarongo@gmail.com. And in case you appreciate the content that I'm making, you have a link to my PayPal account where you can donate some cash towards this making of this content. So once we come here and click schedule, I think we will be good to go. And at that date that we set, that is the moment that my video will be uploading. It tells me that the video has been scheduled, the uploaded time, and I'm very specific even to the coordinates. Ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of the video recording.